Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to update Tesla Model Y. Start by connecting to Wi-Fi and confirming the car has enough charge. Next, open Controls, then Software, and look for available updates. Schedule the download or install immediately if prompted. Avoid interrupting the process and keep passengers informed about limited features during installation. After completion, verify the new software version and test key functions like autopilot and media to ensure everything works. Before installing, check your Tesla app and vehicle software for compatibility and notifications. Park where Wi-Fi is strong and plug in if possible to avoid battery drain. Turn off features like Sentry Mode and Valet Locking to minimize interruptions. If you have scheduled charging, coordinate the update around those times to avoid conflicts. Keep pets and children safely out of the car while updates run, and monitor progress from your phone or the vehicle screen. To install, choose Install Now or Schedule Later from the software menu and confirm. The car will download and then reboot during installation, which can take up to an hour depending on size. Do not open doors, drive, or use the touchscreen while critical stages are running. If the screen becomes unresponsive, perform a simple reboot using the scroll wheels, then recheck software. Contact Tesla support only if problems persist after a reboot and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.